Ever stared at your GrabPay balance, wondering if some sneaky fee is chipping away at your hard-earned cash? You're not alone. We've all been there. You load up your wallet, pay for your rides, meals, and groceries, and then a nagging question pops up. Are those transactions truly fee-free, or is there a hidden cost lurking somewhere? In today's digital age, convenience is king. But convenience often comes at a price. So, let's dive deep into the world of GrabPay and unravel the mystery of those potential bank fees. First, let's clarify what we mean by bank fees in this context. We're not talking about your traditional bank account fees, like monthly maintenance charges. Instead, we're focusing on fees that might be incurred when you transfer money into or out of your GrabPay wallet, or when you use your GrabPay balance for transactions. GrabPay, at its core, is designed to be a seamless and cost-effective digital wallet. For most everyday transactions, like paying for rides, food deliveries, or in-store purchases with your GrabPay balance, you won't encounter direct bank fees imposed by Grab. These transactions are generally fee-free. However, the situation becomes a bit more nuanced when we look at how you fund your GrabPay wallet. Typically, you'll link your bank account or credit/debit card to your GrabPay account. When you transfer funds into your GrabPay wallet using these link methods, GrabPay itself doesn't charge you a fee. But here's the catch: your bank or card issuer might have their own policies regarding online transactions or fund transfers. Some banks may impose fees for certain types of online transactions, especially if they involve international transfers or specific card types. It's crucial to check with your bank or card issuer to understand their fee structure. Furthermore, if you're using a credit card to top up your GrabPay wallet, it's essential to be aware of potential cash advance fees. Credit card companies often treat top-ups as cash advances, which can incur higher interest rates and fees compared to regular purchases. Always check your credit card terms and conditions to avoid any unexpected charges. Another area where fees might come into play is when you transfer funds out of your GrabPay wallet. If you're transferring your GrabPay balance back to your bank account, GrabPay usually doesn't charge a fee. However, again, your bank might have their own processing fees for incoming transfers, especially if it's an international transfer. Also, if you are converting currencies within the GrabPay app, there will be a currency exchange rate applied. This rate is usually set by Grab and might include a slight markup. Always review the exchange rate before confirming any currency conversions. While GrabPay generally doesn't impose direct bank fees for most everyday transactions, it's essential to be mindful of potential fees from your bank or card issuer, especially when it comes to funding your wallet or transferring funds out. Currency exchange rates are another factor to consider. So, while GrabPay aims for transparency and convenience, a little due diligence on your part can help you avoid any unexpected charges. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.